Hello student, welcome to the digital signal processing course. Today we are going to discuss decimation in frequency, that is DIF FFT algorithm. So for solving the DIF FFT algorithms numerical, first of all we should know what exactly the butterfly structure for solving this. The butterfly structure will be, let's say, if there is A and B at the input side, this is nothing but -1. These are the directions. So A plus B, that is what we are going to do at this upper part of the X, and this part is simply extended for Wn raised to k. So here this is what the result for the second part or the lower part of the X. It is decided like A minus B times Wn raised to k. So this is nothing but actually the thing we should remember when we are going for solving it with respect to the DIF FFT. Now for solving it, let's consider one of the example. X of n is given -1 raised to n, that too with capital N equal to 4. It means we are proceeding with the 4-point DIF FFT, and obviously we are interested in calculating the x of k. But here the thing to be considered is whatever the shuffled sequence we used to write for input in case of the DIT FFT, this time the shuffled sequence will be at the output, means for the x of k it is applicable. So let's write down what exactly the shuffled sequence. 0 0 0 1, this is 1 0 and 1 1. So for 0 0 the reversed beat sequence will be 0 0 itself. This is 1 0, just reverse the sequences. This is 0 1 and this is 1 1. So it means this is x of 0, this is x of 2. 1 0 means it is 2, and this is, let me write it capital X, this is x of 1, and finally this is x of 3. This is how the output sequence is shuffled in case of the DIF FFT algorithm, but the input will be arranged manner. So let's see what exactly it is, how to write it. Let's plot it. So we will go for plotting the butterfly structure. So here the sequence will be in an arranged manner. So it is x of 0, x of 1, x of 2 and x of 3, and the output will be disturbed. So it is x of 0, x of 2, x of 1 and x of 3. So these are the outputs. Let's write down the related x. So here this is formed as a first x, this is nothing but the second x. Let's write down the -1, this is -1, and obviously this is 4-point DFT, so this will be W4 raised to 0, this is W4 raised to 1. Similarly here the output stage will be like this. This is -1, this is -1, this is nothing but W4 raised to 0, this is W4 raised to 0. So let's calculate the values related to these points. So for calculating the values, just refer this particular butterfly structure which is just shown here. So x of 0 with the calculation, by putting n equal to 0 in the equation, -1 raised to 0 means it is 1. Similarly x of 1, by putting n equal to 1, this is -1. Again n equal to 2 means -1 raised to 2, it is 1. This is again -1 raised to 3 means -1. Now the point which is to be calculated here, it is simply the addition of 1 plus 1, so it is 2. That is referred by the equation shown for this butterfly. Similarly, when we need to calculate it for this second, it can be calculated like 1. Let's see it at this particular point. 1 minus 1 into W4 raised to 0. So obviously it is resulting in a value that is 0. So at this point I will get the 0. Again the same thing can be obtained over here. Minus 1 plus 1, it is into W4 raised to 1. So obviously here also we will get, so see here, this is actually A minus B times Wn raised to K. This is what the simple change in the butterfly structure. First of all the subtraction will be done and then it will be multiplied by related Wn raised to K. So this is 0. Same thing you can just do it over here. Minus 1 plus minus 1, this is minus 2. So by carry forwarding these values at this point, so 2 minus 2, so here it will be 0. Next this is 2 plus 2, that is 4 into W4 raised to 0, means it is 1. So this will be 1, sorry, this is nothing but 2 plus 2, 4 into 1, that is 4. Similarly here, this value is nothing but 0. 0 plus 0, so it is 0 here. So let's write it here. At the next, it is 0 minus 0, that is 0 into W4 raised to 0 means 1. So it is 0. So 0 into 1, that is 0. So this is how we are getting here the values for the DFT, that is x of k, as 0, 0, 4, 0 for the given x of n, that is minus 1 raised to n. And this method is nothing but actually the DIF FFT for the given sequence. So thank you everyone. Thank you very much.